video. HCMC update, healthier choices management, currently sitting at 0.0003. No change in price from the previous trading day. Trading volume was always high, but actually down compared to the average trading volume that HCMC does see. 420 million on average. Today, only 262 million. Similar to kind of where we've been in as far as price goes for HCMC. Obviously, that all-time high we did see on HCMC of 2065 February of last year, so over a year ago, has completely fallen off back to where we almost very close to back to where we were before the extreme amount of interest here in healthier choices management, and actually almost a year or over a year ago actually since I started covering this stock on this specific YouTube channel. But again, we're going to continue to update everyone on healthier choices management. This is a stock that we have been covering extensively on this channel, so we're going to continue to try to do that as long as there's newsworthy things to talk about. But yeah, let's just not waste any time. Let's get right into it. So first and foremost, a few updates since the last video. HCMC did announce the grand opening of Healthy Choice Wellness Center at the Casbah Spa and Salon located in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. The Casbah Spa has been a staple in Fort Lauderdale for over 23 years, representing the finest in spa and salon services. Offering IV treatments within the spa is a value add to its existing clientele, and by maintaining a relaxing and soothing environment within reach, which is to receive the treatments, it will make Healthy Choice Wellness Center the local go-to place for IV therapy. Jeffrey Holman, the CEO of HCMC, said, "In the past few weeks, we have watched the concept transform into reality, and we could not be happier with our partners at the Casbah Spa. In addition to possible future acquisitions, we are very excited to have both a company-owned location in New York and now a licensed location here in Fort Lauderdale, fully operational. This gives us two related yet distinct scalable models to employ as we continued our efforts to organically grow HCMC's Healthy Choice Wellness Center brand." Okay, so brand new Healthy Choice Wellness Center opening at the Casbah Spa in Florida. They also have one now open in New York as well, which we knew that already. Again, some decent news here, something positive to look at. And then, of course, since the last video, I talked about how the earnings were coming up, and about a week ago, those earnings were in fact released. You can see here, Healthier Choices reports fourth quarter and full year fiscal 2021 financial results. And you can see here the year that ended December 31st, 2021. So total current assets for the year ended 2021 amounted to 28.8 million compared to 3 million, a 25.8 million increase when compared to December 31st, 2020. Total current liabilities for the year ended December 31st, 2021 amounted to 2.5 million compared to 5.7 million, which is a $3.2 million decrease when compared to December 31st, 2020. As a result, the working capital improved by roughly 29 million. Now, I do like this as far as just revenue obviously going up, current assets up, and then obviously the debt or current liabilities is down as well, 3.2 million less from where they were last year. You can see here net sales from operations for the year ended December 31st, 2021 amounted to 13.3 million compared to 13.9 million, a 0.6 million decrease during the same period last year. For the fourth quarter, net sales amounted to 3.2 million, the same as the comparable period of 2020. The annual decrease in sales is attributable to the strategic downsizing of the vape segment, which accounted for 0.4 million of the 0.6 million decline. And gross profit from operations decreased by approximately 0.3 million for the fourth quarter of 2021, which did amount to 1 million total compared to 1.3 for the same period of last year, 2020. Gross profit decreased to 5.3 million for the year 2021 versus 5.8 million, so obviously a $0.5 million decrease in there as well. The net loss from operations for the year ending December 31st, 2021 amounted to approximately 4 million compared to 3.7 same period last year. So again, 0.3 million differential there. Now, Jeffrey Holman, CEO, says, "Our results reflect our strategic decision to close underperforming vape stores, coupled with the challenges of operations faced in the global supply chain. In spite of this, we finished the year strong with fourth quarter that matched our entire 2020 results. We remain steadfast to evolving the business, as evidenced by our February 2022 acquisition of Mother Earth's Storehouse, which we anticipate roughly doubling up our top line revenue in 2022 based on historical performance, as well as the Healthy Choice Wellness Center licensing agreement with Casabah Spa in Florida. We are still seeking strategic acquisitions and are continuing our efforts in opening a new Healthy Choice Wellness Center. Our team remains focused on the commitment to improve the fundamentals of the company and build a nimble and scalable business model to support long-term sustainable growth of Healthier Choice Management Corp. Although the process has been deliberate and a lengthy one, we are continuing to explore alternative ways to address the capital structure of the company in a manner that will make it meaningful to our shareholders. Now, Jeffrey Holman, in my opinion, has been rather pretty transparent to the holders of HCMC. Obviously, HCMC generated so much interest and just obtained so many new holders in a short amount of time, just purely off the hype and just the notoriety of the potential Philip Morris lawsuit. So obviously they generated so much interest, a lot of new shareholders that probably would never have become shareholders, just being honest, of HCMC without that potential lawsuit, which is still, I don't think the book's closed on that. That'll be for another video. But where HCMC is positioned now, I think if you're holding HCMC now, right now, if you're holding HCMC, you most likely are looking to continue to hold HCMC stock because you're probably still underneath on your investment, considering a lot of people did actually buy into HCMC shortly after the massive pump that we saw, right? I think a lot of people were buying in at around this time and even right here. So again, you are still down on your investment more likely than not. Let me know in your comments if you guys are still up as far as just gains go on HCMC. I found that very interesting. But nonetheless, HCMC, I think for most holders, including myself, who I am holding a position in HCMC, I think it's important to continue to wait this out. That's what I'm planning on doing. Just continue to wait this out and see if we can get back to maybe even just these sorts of levels here. Just breaking off that third zero would be, I think, awesome for holders of HCMC. But I think just as a long-term outlook for HCMC, breaking off that third zero and just getting back to the double zeros would bode very well for all parties. But again, I'm not a financial advisor, not financial advice. Let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about HCMC. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, drop a like on this video, and as always, have a great day.